So why they teach you like, you have to be like this. Welcome back to another episode. I'm super happy that you joined here live to understand what the proper stance in surfing is. How do you stand on a surfboard? I'm gonna show you now the proper stance so you won't make any mistakes anymore. Before I do that, I will put a mat underneath. I borrowed a nice soft top from my girlfriend to show you the right stance in surfing. Wait, I'm just a bit. I think that looks nice. A lot of people stand wrong on their surfboard, so this is one of the most important videos for you to understand. First of all, you have to know which leg is in front. If your left leg is in front in surfing, we call it a regular surfer. If your right leg is in front, we call it a goofy. Maybe another story, maybe another video, but now we come to the right and perfect stance for your board. Obviously, your back feet, depending on the surfboard, longboarding is a bit different, but you want to stand around in between where the two fins are usually. Obviously, I don't have fins right now in, because otherwise I would smash them, around here. If your back feet is totally here on the edge, this is too far back. So usually, especially with soft tops, you can vary it between here and in between those fins. If you don't know where it is, turn around your own board, maybe put tape on the top, and then you see like, okay, my back foot is around here. And the front one is around shoulder wide to the front, around here. But now it comes. A lot of people do this already wrong. And the thing is, the front feet should be around 45 degrees. Not like Zorro, 45 degrees. The back one should be around 90 degrees towards the stringer. The stringer is directly in the middle. Obviously, you don't want to stand not in the middle, because you will fall because you lose balance. But this is self-explanatory. The back one is 90 degrees, but now it comes. Pro tip for you, because later in surfing, we want to have the back knee a little bit more inside. And even my physiotherapist said like, Daniel, what are you doing? You should put, this is a pro tip, try it at home, your back toe pointed a little bit more to the front. What happens is your back knee will get easier to the front knee and it looks more stylish. Now it comes. What should we do with our head and our hand? Super easy. Right hand is right from your knee and the left arm is left from your front knee. And now it comes. We lean a little bit more over the front knee with your chest. We also call this the chest or front knee position. When you look at this position, this is what we call a neutral position. Right arm here, left arm here. We look where we want to go, okay? This is a proper stance, because out of here, we can do everything. We can go bottom turn. We can go turning and lean back. Whatever we want to do comes out of this neutral position. So have in mind, your best stance, show it even goofy, the same, 45 degrees, a little bit more to the front, slightly bent, chest over front knee, right arm here, left arm here. I feel comfortable, I can do anything out of this position, and this is your main goal. This is a proper stance in surfing. From the front, it looks even like this. 90 degrees, 45, shoulder wide, slightly bent, right arm here, left arm here, relax. By the way, which I'm still excited about, maybe I should say it. I say it really quick. If someone teaches you to do this, ask yourself or ask the coach or someone who teaches you this, is he or she doing it herself? Usually they don't. So why they teach you like, you have to be like this active? An arm like this can weigh up to 10 or 15 kilograms, depending how big your biceps is. So when you have this weight up here, it will disbalance you. How about we put it nice centered over our board? You feel more stable, trust me. Try it at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, follow for more. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I do live workshops. I do real surf retreats here in France, in North Spain. Check it out on our website. If you want to have more surf knowledge, by the way, everything is explained in our Surf Companions illustrated books. Link is down below, obviously. I can't wait to see you and have fun improving your surfing. I'm Daniel from the Surf Companions.